Unraveling the Magic of A Whirlwind Romance. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and culture. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's as enchanting as it is evocative: a whirlwind romance. Stick around as we unpack the meaning, origins, and how you can use this phrase in your everyday English conversations. Let's get started. A whirlwind romance refers to a relationship that starts very suddenly and intensely, often characterized by a rapid progression of emotional or physical involvement. Imagine a romance that sweeps you off your feet, much like a whirlwind picks up everything in its path. This phrase is often used to describe love stories that blossom incredibly quickly, where the couple moves from meeting to a serious commitment in a very short period of time. The term whirlwind itself gives us a hint about the origins of this phrase. A whirlwind is a natural phenomenon that moves quickly and powerfully, mirroring the intense and fast-paced nature of the relationship it describes. The use of whirlwind in this context captures the unpredictability and the passionate force with which such romances develop. This phrase has been in use for decades, echoing the timeless fascination with love stories that defy conventional timelines. To better understand a whirlwind romance, let's look at some examples. Real life. Many celebrities are known for their whirlwind romances, getting engaged or married only a few months after meeting. Literature and movies. Countless stories and films feature couples who fall in love almost instantly, battling all odds to be together, embodying the essence of a whirlwind romance. These examples show how the phrase is used in various contexts, highlighting its relevance in both real life and fictional narratives. Now that you know what it means, let's talk about how you can use a whirlwind romance in your conversations. Describing relationships. They had a whirlwind romance. They met in April and were married by July. Talking about movies or books. The novel's central theme is a whirlwind romance that challenges societal norms. Personal narratives. If you've experienced a fast-moving, intense relationship, you might say, looking back, it was quite a whirlwind romance. A whirlwind romance is a beautiful phrase that captures the essence of sudden, intense love stories. Whether you're describing your own experiences or discussing your favorite book or movie, this phrase adds a touch of magic to your storytelling. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and charm of a whirlwind romance for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content on the English language. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.